Okay, so now next property in definite integrals. Integral from minus a to a f of x dx equal to 2 into integral 0 to a f of x dx if f of x is even, f of x is even function. 0 if f of x is odd function. Okay, so what is meaning of even function, odd function? Okay, so even function means f of minus x equal to f of x. Okay, if a function satisfies f of minus x equal to f of x, then it is even function. Odd function means f of minus x equal to minus f of x. Okay now. So if f is even function, then this integration becomes 2 into integral 0 to a f of x dx, because see, this can be split into integral minus a to 0. Okay, this can be split into integral minus a to 0 f of x dx plus integral 0 to a f of x dx. If f of x is even, these two are equal, because we can take x equal to minus t here, dx equal to minus dt, then this integral becomes x equal to minus a means this is a, this is 0, yes, this is f of minus t, what is dx? Minus dt. Okay na? Now f of minus t, f of minus x equal to f of x, so this is minus integral a to 0 f of t dt. Okay na? So by interchanging limits, this will convert to 0 to a f of t dt. But we already discussed the property, that is definite integration independent on the variable. Independent on the variable. So this can be written as integral 0 to a f of x dx. So that equal to 2 into integral 0 to a f of x dx. Okay na? Fine. So of course we no need of this proof. Now I will give an example regarding to this property. So let us take example. So find integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Sin cube theta, cos cube theta, d theta. Okay na? Find integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, sin cube theta, cos cube theta. Okay. Now this is of the form, this property. So what we have to do? First of all, we have to check whether the given function is even or odd. Okay na? So check it. What is our function? This is our function. So f of minus theta equal to sin of minus theta, sin cube of minus theta, cos cube of minus theta. Okay na? Now this is sin of minus theta minus sin theta. So minus sin cube theta, cos of minus theta, cos theta, because cos is even function. Okay na? So cos cube theta. So what you will get? Minus f of theta. So it means it is a odd function. Therefore f is odd. So since f is odd, what is the value of this one? So this becomes 0. This becomes 0. Understood? Okay? Okay, so next property, integral 0 to 2a f of x dx equal to 2 into integral 0 to a f of x dx if f of 2a minus x equal to f of x. F of 2a minus x equal to f of x. 0 otherwise, 0 otherwise. Okay na, 0 otherwise, or if f of 2a minus x equal to minus f of x, you can write like this. Okay, if f of 2a minus x equal to f of x, then the value of this integral is 2 into integral 0 to a f of x dx. Otherwise, it is 0. Okay na? So, I will give one example regarding this property. So, find the integral from 0 to 2 pi, from 0 to 2 pi cos x dx. Okay, find the integral from 0 to 2 pi cos x dx. Okay na? Now what we see, this problem is like this property, yes or no? Integral 0 to 2a, so integral 0 to 2 pi. Okay na? Now what we have to do, first of all we have to check this property, f of 2a minus x equal to whether f of x or minus f of x. Okay na? So f of 2 pi minus x equal to cos 2 pi minus x. So cos 2 pi minus x, which is in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cos is positive. So cos 2 pi minus x equal to cos x. Okay na? So this can be written as this equal to integral 0 to 2 into integral 0 to pi cos x dx. Yes or no? 2 into integral 0 to pi cos x dx. Okay, now again this pi can be written as, again this pi can be written as 2 into integral 0 to 2 into pi by 2. Yes or no? 2 into pi by 2 cos x dx. Okay. Now again this is of the form, this property. Now again check it. F of pi minus x equal to cos of pi minus x. Cos of pi minus x is minus cos x. Yes or no? Because it is in second quadrant. So in second quadrant cos is negative. So minus cos x. So f of pi minus x equal to minus cos x. So this case, what is the value of this one? 0. So the value of this one is 0. Fine. So ultimately the answer for this one is 0. Of course, here you can write directly integral 0 to pi is sin x, from 0 to pi. Sin pi is 0 minus sin 0 0. So 0. You can get here itself answer also. Okay na? Understood what I am saying? You can directly calculate here also. That is 2 into this is sin x from 0 to pi. Okay na? Which equal to 2 into sin pi 0 minus 0 equal to 0. Okay, you can do like that also. But why I am doing like this is how this property will be applied to the given problem. Okay. Okay, so next property. If f of a minus x equal to f of x. Okay, if f of a minus x equal to f of x for all x belongs to closed interval 0 comma a, then integral 0 to a x f of x dx equal to a by 2. Okay, a by 2 integral from 0 to a f of x dx. Okay na? If f of a minus x equal to f of x for all x belongs to in this interval, then integral 0 to a x f of x dx equal to a by 2 integral 0 to a f of x dx. So this is very simple. So this you will get. So this you will get like this. This can be written as 0 to a minus x f of a minus x dx. Okay na? Our formula, our property, integral 0 to a f of x dx equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Okay, so by taking high this, if you split this one, you will get this. It's very easy, no problem. Okay. Okay, so later I will give one example for this one, because the problem is depend not only this, another property also. So I will give one example for both the properties. Okay na? Okay, so next property, if f of t plus x equal to f of x. Okay, if f of t plus x equal to f of x for all x belongs to I means here domain of the function. Okay, for all x belongs to I. So what is the meaning of f of t plus x equal to f of x? The meaning of this one is f is periodic function of period t. Okay na? So the problem may be given like this, f of t plus x equal to f of x, or if f is a periodic function of period t. Okay na? Then integral 0 to nt f of x dx equal to n into integral 0 to t f of x dx. Okay. Next, integral x to x plus nt f of x dx is equal to, okay, integral from x to x plus nt f of x dx equal to n into integral 0 to t f of x dx. Okay, next, see all this property based on the periodic function. Okay, so, integral a plus mt b plus, take n, of course you can take m also, no problem, b plus nt f of x dx equal to integral a to b f of x dx. See, all these results will be proved by applying the substitution method. Okay na? So if you substitute x equal x, say here, if you substitute like this, to become a 0 like this, to become 0, what you have to take? So x minus a plus nt equal to t like this. So x minus a plus nt equal to t. So if you substitute x equal to a plus nt, this becomes 0. Okay na? Like this. So similarly here also, by substituting in place of x some value, you will get these results. Okay na? Now, okay, next property, integral from mt to nt f of x dx equal to n minus m into integral from 0 to t f of x dx. Okay, so these all are the properties on given periodic function of period t. Okay na? So we will give some examples on these properties. Okay, so let us take an example on this property. So find the integral from 0 to 4 pi mod cos x dx. Okay na? Now here our function is mod cos x. So what is the period of mod cos x? Yes, mod cos x period is pi. Okay, we learned in the last year in first trigonometry topic. Okay, now. So period of mod cos x is pi. Okay. So now according to our property integral from 0 to n t f of x dx equal to n into integral 0 to t f of x dx. Okay. So this can be written as 4 into integral 0 to pi mod cos x dx. Okay, fine. Now this is the modulus function. So when you are doing modulus function problem, you have to split the integral where it is positive, where it is negative. Okay, na? Because mod x equal to x for x greater than 0 or equal, and minus x for x less than 0. Okay, na? So you have to split this one. But we know that cos x function is cos x positive here in first quadrant. 0 to pi by 2 is positive. Yes, from pi by 2 pi it is negative, and pi to 3 pi by 2 also negative, and 3 pi by 2 2 pi which is positive. So now this is equal to 4 into integral from 0 to pi by 2. So positive. So mod x equal to x. That means cos x dx plus integral pi by 2 to pi. Okay. So mod cos x is minus cos x in this case, because in second quadrant cos is negative. Okay. Now this is equal to 4 into integral cos x is sin x from 0 to pi by 2. So minus of integral cos x, which is sin x from pi by 2 to pi. Now this is equal to 4 into sin pi by 2 minus sin 0 minus sin pi, minus of minus plus sin pi by 2. Okay. So fundamental theorem of integral calculus. Now 4 into sin pi by 2 1, sin 0 0 minus sin pi 0 plus sin pi by 2 1. So 4 into 2 8. Okay, understood? Okay, so let us give one more example. So regarding this property, so find the value of integral from 0 to 16 pi by 3 integral 0 to 16 pi by 3 mod sin x dx. Okay. Now, so this problem can be written as integral 0 to, so 16 pi by 3. So this can be written as 5 pi plus pi by 3. Yes or no? 3 5 15 plus 1 16, 16 pi by 3 modulus sin x dx. Yes. Now this can be written as integral 0 to 5 pi mod sin x dx plus integral 5 pi to 5 pi plus pi by 3 mod sin x dx. Understood? So here I am using integral a to b f of x dx equal to integral a to c f of x dx plus integral c to b f of x dx. Okay, na splitting integral. Okay, splitting property is there, that one. Okay, so 0 to 5 pi mod sin x dx plus 5 pi to 5 pi plus pi by 3 mod sin x dx. Okay? Fine. Now, here this is nothing but integral 0 to 5 pi mod sin x dx. Okay? Now, plus this becomes integral 0 to pi by 3 mod sin x dx. Yes? So, this property is regarding to integral x to x plus t f of x dx. Okay na? Okay, now here what is the period of mod sin x? The period of mod sin x is pi. So, this can be written as 5 into integral 0 to pi mod sin x dx plus this is integral 0 to pi by 3 mod sin x dx. Okay? Now, 0 to pi sin x is positive. 0 to pi sin x is positive. So, 5 integral 0 to pi sin x dx plus in this interval also positive. So, integral 0 to pi by 3 sin x dx. Okay? Now, this is equal to 5 into integral sin x is minus cos x from 0 to pi plus minus cos x from 0 to pi by 3. Okay na? Now this is equal to 5 into minus cos pi. Cos pi is minus 1. So minus of minus plus. Minus of minus plus cos 0 1. Okay? Minus cos pi 1. Minus of minus. Fundamental theorem of the integral calculus. Okay. So plus cos 0 1. So plus this is minus cos pi by 3. Okay na? Which is minus 1 by 2. Minus cos pi by 3. Minus of minus plus cos 0 1. So which is equal to 10 plus 1 by 2. Which is equal to 20 plus 1 21 by 2. Okay. Okay, so next property, if integral from a to b f of x dx equal to 0, okay, if integral a to b f of x dx equal to 0, then f of x has at least one root in open interval AB. Understood? If the integral of the given function is 0, then the function has at least one root in this interval. That means this function becomes 0 for at least one value in this interval. Okay na? So that is the property.